chicken langganisa.
So, Mum, you're gonna do the exact same. Mum, you're back.
Hindi ako mag-vlog sa work. Ang yung oats. Kainin ko yung pancit kagabi.
In our small house on a hill, we chase dreams with no chill. Laughter echoes down the hall. Love's the biggest, never small. Mornings start with coffee spills.
Good morning guys! Welcome to another vlog. Happy weekend! So today is Saturday. Magna-9 pa lang, so may vlog ako today. Ng alas 9. Hugasan ko muna yung pinainan namin ni Kira. Kahapon pumunta ako sa Eastbourne pero hindi ako nag-vlog. Bumili ako ng pancit bihon. Nakabili din ako ng langganisa na chicken langganisa. Wala akong balak bumili ng langganisa. Tingin kasi ako doon sa nila, sa mga frozen ba. Tapos nakita ko yung langganisa, dalawa na lang yung natira. Tapos itry ko kaya yung langganisa na manok ba. Nagustuhan ko naman siya, nagluto ako ng 3 kagabi. Kasi nagpansit din ako. Yun, bumili din ako ng kaong. Wala silang buko. Pang salad ba. Grabe malamig to di yung mga sasakyan may mga ice. Kunti lang naman. Uulan mamayang gabi, pero during the day, okay yung panahon. Mamayang gabi at saka bukas ulan. May work ako today sa aking fish and chips. Tapos, wala na. Dito lang sa bahay. Back to school na rin sa Loring si Kira. Yan, gluto ako ng langganisa bago ako papasok sa work. Si Kira nasa sala, nag-drawing. Nag-una ko ng washing, patapos na din siya. Okay. So ito yung nabili kong langganisa na chicken langganisa. Hindi ko alam kung magkano ito, basta kinuha ko lang siya doon. Pero I was surprised ba? Kasi hindi siya made in the Philippines. Made in the UK siya. Pero parang ito ata yung may-ari, no? Yung lalaki sa gilid, Pilipino yung... Ay, hindi ko alam. Basta, sarap siya. Ito yung nabili kong kaong. Kasi ito yung cake na kinain ko din kagabi. Mamaya kakainin ko ito. Kasi paubos na.
Teach my mum how to draw an eye. I got this masking tape. And it's not to stick down on the paper, but we will need it. Grab a ruler, some pencils and some more pens and pencils.
Okay, so this is my side, okay?
Yeah, that's your side. So I split them inside. So you're going to take this, put it down. Let me just go get my other writer.
What are you looking for, Bob?
So I'm going to show them how my eye.
Oh yeah, you made that one the other day. Don't worry about it.
So this is how my eye turned out the other day. So this is what I'm going to be showing my mum how to do. She doesn't have to do the exact same colour, but yeah. So I'm going to take this black. You're just going to go after me. Then you're going to trace the inside. Just look inside.
Yeah,
Like that.
okay. I'm really bad at drawing. You know
Yeah, that's
that.
what I'm trying to teach her.
Yeah, I'm really bad.
Yeah, that's good. And then we're going to go. So like that. So like a circle and then a line in the middle. Mum, I can't see my eye. And then you need to connect these. But when you go up, it's going to go onto there. Then it's going to go back down. Every time you go up here, it's going to touch this. And then you go back down. This is not the best eye I've drawn.
That's really good.
I'm going to use a rubber in a sec. So, Mum, you're going to do the exact same like that. It's still too flat. Okay. And then, yeah. In the middle. Pupil. Mum, you okay? So, Mum, you're leaving a wee gap and draw another circle.
Okay.
So, like it's 2 in a row, but leave a wee gap.
Is that right?
A bit bigger. And you didn't leave a gap because that's obviously too big. To there,
Yeah.
and you're gonna go down. I'll draw it for you,
Please, thank you.
but you're colouring it. Like that. Wait, let me make that a bit better. Okay, so Mum, you're gonna colour that whole bit in.
Okay.
Look, Mum, look. All of that.
Okay.
Not just the circle, the whole bit.
No worries.
So, I'm gonna fold it and show everything.
Yeah.
So, this is mine. Wait, is it? Yeah, this is mine. And then this is my mum's. Mum's mine. I'm gonna show Daddy. This is Mum's eye.
Yeah.
And this is my eye. Whose is better?
No comment.
Kira's one is always best.
Yes. Slay Queen.
So, kakain muna ako bago ako papasok. Nagluto lang ako ng 3. Okay. Hindi na ako mag-vlog sa work. Kasi alam kong hindi busy today. Sabi ko kay Kira kung gusto niya kumain ng langgonisa. Sabi niya ayaw niya daw. Parang iba yung rice na to. Parang medyo matigas siya na sticky. Ito na yung rice. Initin ko muna to. Siya. Nilagyan ko ng kunting sugar. Kakain muna ako guys and I'll see you na lang after work kasi hindi ako mag-vlog sa work. Kasi nga, hindi naman busy today. See ya! So, bye-bye! Pumunta si Dave sa Sainsbury's na grocery shopping. Hindi ako sumama kasi ayaw ni Kirong sumama. Kaya siya na lang. Sabi niya yung nagastos niya is 68 pounds. So, kita ko sa inyo yung isa pang bag dito. Yan. Bumili siya ng wraps. Maganda yun sa school. Pati sa sa lunch ko sa work. Croissant. Itong panglaban na non-bio from Sainsbury's. Ito lang yung Sainsbury's lang to. Gustong gusto ko to. Broccoli. Ketchup. And then mga powder para sa chicken. Quiche. Cod para sa fish and chips. Chips. Watermelon. Kailangan ko tong i-cut. Para ready na. minced beef, chicken breast, gaman, ham para sa school, and another chips. So, ano to? What is this one?
Worcestershire sauce. That's
Oh.
what I have on my cheese on toast.
Dito para sa sandwich. Maganda to sa work pag pumapasok ako. And then pizza. Almond milk at milk para sa kanyang oats. Cheese. Coleslaw. Mga grapes. Baby tomatoes. Waffles. Leave this one in the freezer. Yogurt. Tatlo. Yogurt. Pasta. Cold tablet. Butter. Garlic bread. And soap. Yeah. I'll use it for work on Monday. I'm working on Monday. You want me to put this one here?
Yeah, please.
You still got... Oh, no. I thought it-
That can go up there. I need to get some tea. I'll get that in Morrison's. I need to get that pasta sauce as well.
Oh, yeah, we don't have it.
No, I don't have it.
So, tapos na. Naayos na namin yung mga napamili ni Dave. So, i-prepare ko lang yung aming dinner tonight. Sinisipo na naman ako. Uy, si Dave may cold din siya. Kaya lagi siya nakagano sa ilong niya. So, mag-cut lang ako nitong broccoli. Siguro yung kakainin ko yung pansit kagabi. Kasi hindi naman ako gutom. May kulang pa kami, so siguro pupunta na lang ako bukas sa Morrison. Pupunta sana si Dave sa Morrison, sabi ko, hindi naman natin kailangan ngayon, so bukas na lang. May bisita kami bukas, yung friend ni Dave sa work ba? Taga London. Yung girlfriend niya is P19. Nagkakilala lang din sila sa London. I think sa online sila nagkakilala. Tapos, yeah. Yun yung nasagap pong balita. Yun lang din yung sabi ni Dave sa akin. Mga alauna daw sila nandito. So, maulan bukas. Pupunta sana kami sa Eastbourne para doon na lang pa kami maglakad-lakad. Kasi kung dito lang kami sa bahay, maboard lang din kami. Maganda yung maglakad-lakad ba? Pero, maulan bukas. Grabe ang lamig! Oh, nag-feel ko yung yung hangin dito. Close ko muna. Yeah, so, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin. Yan, si Dib lang naman at saka si Kira. Pakita ko to sa inyo kasi ito yung magiging baonan ni Kira sa Monday. Nabili to ni Dib sa Amazon. So, tinatry namin siya. So, nilagay to ni Dib kaninang alauna. So, alas 5 na. So, Magno. Di ba? 4:42 pa lang. So, medyo mainit pa naman siya. Kasi sa Monday, ito nga yung gagamitin ko para yung kakainin niya ba medyo mainit naman. Kasi lagi lang siya nagsasandwich. Tapos gusto niya talaga yung kinakain niya sa tanghali. Gusto niya yung mainit daw. And kumakain naman siya sa school, yung nagbabayad ka ba. Pero may days na ayaw niya yung pagkain sa school, kaya kailangan niya magbaon. So ito, okay naman siya. So gagamitin ko to sa Monday. Siguro yung ibabaon niya is macaroni cheese or something na pwede kong malagay dito na mainit yung lunch niya. think 18 pounds ata to. Basta, ito lang, maliit lang siya. Pwede kang maglagay ng rice or soup or anything na pwedeng pang lunch sa school. Initin ko yung aking pancit. Excuse. So, ito yung pancit, oh. Daming tira. Kaya ito na lang yung kakainin ko. Yung sinahog ko is, chicken liver. So, yeah. Ayoko nang mag-rice. Ito lang. That's enough. Initin ko. Kakain muna kami and I will see you later.